Greetings to you. I'm John Carter, the CEO of the DESIGNEFX Companies. And many of you watching this video I've done business with, while some of you I've merely introduced myself to and exchanged business cards at a networking event of some sort in the past. But whether or not we've collaborated in business or not, this video is just an opportunity to get reacquainted and see what's going on with you and your business, and more importantly, to see if there are any particular services that we are needed that DESIGNEFX can assist you with. Over time, DESIGNEFX has been able to provide services as varied as logo design, graphic and web design, social media management, and training and consulting in the same skills that provide these resources via webinars and traditional workshops. And if you're watching this video, you become important enough to share those services with again, so that we can assist you with pushing your business goals forward. The contact information for the company should be available on your screen at this time, and I would encourage you to reach out to us just to give us an update on what you're doing, and perhaps we can casually discuss how we might be able to assist each other in any unmet design projects. I really appreciate the opportunity to be considered for that. And until we have a chance to chat formally, I wish you the best and thank you for giving me a time to present myself to you again.